When it comes to birthday parties, the first thing that comes to mind is cake. But buying the cake is also one of the biggest challenges. The theme, the shade, and any other thing do matter when it comes to it. Here is a compilation with the help of which you can make the right choice of unique birthday cake for your little hero. The most loved toy for boys is car, and there can be no other better special birthday cake than the one with car theme. This is one of the most opted birthday cake ideas. This is a great theme that can be chosen over all the others, and this would surely be loved by the birthday boy for whom the party is being planned. Animal theme, Too Fast theme, Sunshine theme, Coco Melon, Baby Shark are the most preferred choices by the parents. Think what your little boy likes to play with more or love to watch on TV all the time. Choose that as their birthday theme. This changes year on year, so keep tracking his likes so that you can come up with unique and lovable theme every year. The balloons and other decorative elements can help you achieve the theme to the fullest. Some accessories that can be used are plastic swords, eye patches, the captain hooked hats. This can create a classic theme and they would enjoy it. Hence, these are some of the ideas that the boys can love. They prefer cars, animals, as well as superheroes. Go through these pictures and choose the one that find best to you. You can even combine different themes and customize as per your choice. Cake bakers and online cake shops are receiving ideas and designing perfectly as per parents' requirement. So, it would not be a hassle if you are ready to customize as per your child's wish. Hope these ideas helped you. If you like the video, please like and share. Love seeing more updates. Consider subscribing Little Studio.